Hey car enthusiasts, are you ready to turn heads and own the streets with one of the most stunning designs in the auto world? Meet the Mazda MX-5 RF. The car that blends elegance, power and sophistication into one breathtaking package. Buckle up, this is a ride you don't want to miss. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big like and share it with your fellow car lovers. Your support keeps us rolling with the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Mazda has done it again. With the MX-5 RF, they've redefined what it means to drive in style, thanks to their iconic KODO design. This sleek and dynamic design language ensures you'll capture the attention of every road user you pass. Starting with its classic yet contemporary exterior, the MX-5 RF boasts an elegant front facade. The low hood, wide trapezoidal grille, and striking auto-leveling LED headlamps give the car a bold and almost lifelike presence. Those headlamps, shaped like sharp, expressive eyes, bring personality to the car, making it seem almost alive. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalistic yet luxurious interior. Mazda has focused on what truly matters: simplicity and functionality. The dashboard is clean, with a sporty vibe, featuring a 7-inch head unit equipped with smartphone connectivity and a commander control. The meter cluster stays true to its roots, offering a conventional but stylish design. Under the hood, the MX-5 RF doesn't just look great, it performs like a dream. It's powered by a 2.0-liter Skyactiv engine with a compression ratio of 13:1, requiring a minimum fuel grade of RON 95 for optimal performance. This generation brings a slight power boost, delivering 184 horsepower compared to the previous 181 horsepower, while maintaining a torque of 205 Newton-meters. For those who love to take control, Mazda offers 2 transmission options: a 6-speed manual for the purists and a 6-speed automatic for effortless cruising. Whichever you choose, the MX-5 RF promises a driving experience that's pure joy. So, there you have it, the Mazda MX-5 RF, a masterpiece of design and engineering that's ready to make every drive unforgettable. What do you think about this blend of classic style and modern innovation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay tuned to Car Release TV for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest cars on the market. See you in the next video.